Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Gate City Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gatecity.bank and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gate City Bank website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will open up the login portal. Once you see the login portal, you can enter your credentials right away. So type in your user ID within the user ID box and then enter your account password alongside within the password box. You can then click on the go button and this will log you into your Gate City Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can find the forgot password button alongside, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Gate City Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.